In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur your background on Zoom. If you've ever wanted a cleaner, more private look in your meetings without showing what's behind you, this quick setting is all you need. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can turn it on in seconds. First, make sure you're already in a Zoom meeting. Look at the bottom left corner of your Zoom window for the video controls. You'll see the Start or Stop Video button, and right next to it, there's a small arrow, sometimes called a caret. Click that little arrow. A menu will pop up with several options related to your camera. From this menu, choose Video and Effects Settings. Depending on your version of Zoom, the wording might be slightly different, but you're looking for the option that opens your video settings panel. Once the settings window opens, navigate to the Virtual Backgrounds tab. In some versions, this area may be labeled Backgrounds and Effects, but the idea is the same. You're entering the place where Zoom lets you choose what appears behind you. This section may also show a few preset images and options, but we're going straight for the blur effect. Now, select Blur. You'll usually see it as a tile or thumbnail labeled Blur among the background choices. Click it once, and you should immediately see your camera preview update. Your face and foreground will stay in focus, while everything behind you becomes softly defocused. It's a subtle, professional look that reduces visual distractions and helps keep attention on you. If you don't see the blur option, don't worry. It can depend on your Zoom version and your computer's capabilities. Updating Zoom or trying a different camera can sometimes help, but the key takeaway is that when blur is available, it lives in that virtual backgrounds area you just opened. A few quick tips to make the blur look its best. Sit in good, even lighting, so Zoom can clearly separate you from the background. Avoid strong backlighting from a window directly behind you, which can confuse the effect. Framing yourself in the center of the camera with your shoulders visible also helps keep the blur consistent when you move. And that's it. Click the arrow next to your video button, open Video and Effects Settings, go to the Virtual Backgrounds tab, and select Blur. You're ready to present with a clean, distraction-free background. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your sharper, more polished Zoom meetings.